If you've been struggling to get positive reviews for your business on Google, stay tuned because today I'm going to show you the super simple strategy that I use for myself and my clients to get loads of raving 5-star reviews, filter out bad reviews, all with almost zero work. Like, it's almost 100% automated. So let's jump into it. Now, you probably already know the importance of Google reviews. Right? If somebody's searching for your services, in my case SEO Missoula, there's going to be listings that show up at the top of the search results that contain these reviews here. And I remember back when I first started online marketing and I didn't have any reviews, sort of like SEO Tech here. They've got one review, it's a 4-star. Well, starting out, I literally had 0 reviews. And I was begging clients, hey, I'd get them great success and they'd be like, oh yeah, I'll leave you a review. I'm like, okay. And wait a few weeks and then I'd follow up with them, hey, you're going to leave that review? And I'd wait and wait and they just never happened. They're like, yeah, I'll leave you a review. Right. So what can you do in order to actually get people to leave you online reviews, specifically on Google, but also other platforms like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, all these other online review platforms? Well, you can ask clients to leave you reviews, but the odds of that happening are really, really, really slim. In part because it's a lot of work. Like, people have to go search the business, pull up the listing, figure out where to leave a review. It's this whole process that is just inconvenient, and that's what prevents people from leaving you online reviews. So what I found works really well is to use a system. This is the system I use. It's called EasyBizReview. Go check it out, easybizreview.com. I'll leave a link in the description as well so you can find it real easy. They offer a free trial so you can test it out, make sure it's going to work for your business, and actually get some reviews absolutely free, which is baller. So yeah, definitely check this tool out. Basically what happens is once you get signed up, you'll get set up with a review landing page, a review automation landing page that looks like this. And this is only one part of the system. It also allows you to simply add in a list of your contacts. So say I had 10 clients that I work with, and I want to ask each of them to leave a review, right? So I would add them to this system. They get an email that says, hey, let us know how we did, and it links them to a page that looks just like this. And when a customer comes here, they can choose how their experience was with your business. So if they had a great experience, they're going to click 5 stars. And then it says, please take a moment to share your experience with us. So at that point, they can link directly out to Google, Facebook, Yelp, or a myriad of different other platforms. And this link takes them right to where they can leave a review on Google or Facebook or Yelp. So it streamlines the whole process. Now, if they're not happy with their experience, and this is like one of the coolest parts of this whole system, say they had a really bad experience and they click 1 star. Check this out. It pulls up this contact form. It says, we strive for 100% customer satisfaction. If we fell short, please tell us more so we can address your concerns. So then they're going to put their information in here, and they're just going to complain about whatever they're not happy about. And then that's going to get sent directly to you, the business owner, and then you can follow up with them and be like, so sorry, let's offer you a refund, or whatever you need to do to take care of it. But that prevents them from going online and venting, leaving a bad review. And trust me, people would prefer to handle their issues personally, person to person, directly with you, rather than go complain about it online where they know they're, it's just not fun for anyone, to be honest. Now, before I started using a review automation platform like this, I wasn't getting any reviews at all. And I think it was really hurting the performance of my business, because as soon as I started getting these reviews, I embedded them on my website, which EasyBizReview, that the tool I was just showing you, allows you to easily embed your reviews directly on your website, just like this. Once I did that, I started having people come up to me and be like, hey, I read your reviews and that's the reason why I reached out to you. Like, literally, the reason they wanted to work with me was because they saw my online reviews. And that was a light bulb moment. It was like, oh, okay, this makes sense. How does a company know that they can trust that I provide great service if there's no feedback anywhere for them to reference, right? And people find these Google reviews to be really credible because Google's gotten really good at preventing fake, fraudulent, and spam reviews. So people actually really trust these reviews. In fact, this study showed that like 70% of people trust online reviews as much as a personal recommendation from friends or family. Like, what? That's insane. So people trust these as much as their brother or sister saying, hey, go check out this company, right? So do not underestimate the power of online reviews. Take full advantage. Go get signed up for a free trial with EasyBiz Review. It's super simple, super straightforward. You'll get an awesome landing page that looks like this, where you can streamline the whole process. And literally all you have to do is upload your contacts and everything else is done for you. It goes out, asks, reminds, and leads people all the way through the online review process. And that's what's going to allow you to build up your reviews on Google such that people know you're a credible business to work with. So I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you have questions about, drop it in the comments and I will respond or make a follow-up video to answer your questions. And I will see you guys in the next video.